Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to start page numbers from a specific page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First, go to the page where you want the numbering to begin. Click at the start of the page. Now, click the Layout tab at the top. Then, select Breaks and choose Next Page to create a section break. Now, go to the Insert tab and click Page Number. Choose where you want the numbers to appear, like at the top or bottom of the page. The page is numbered as 3. To start numbering at 1, first click Link to Previous to unselect it. Then, click Page Number and choose Format Page Numbers. In the box that appears, select Start At, type 1, and click OK. Your page numbering now starts from 1 and continues in sequence. If the previous page is numbered, simply select it and press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. That's it. Your page numbers now start from your chosen page. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.